Okay, everybody, if you couldn't tell, I have a lot of goodies on my desk today. We are actually going to be making texture paste. I've never made texture paste before. The recipe I got off of Pinterest. I have never worked with texture paste, so this is definitely going to be something new for me. And we are doing it on a budget. The budget idea I got from Mirror Me Small Art. For those of you who are a fan of her, she's really great. So let's jump right in here. I still haven't had a chance to put the cover on top of my desk to protect the top, but I will be getting out a cutting board mat that we will be using to protect it, because we don't want to get the texture paste all over the place. So FYI, some of the things you're going to need: Elmer's glue, cornstarch or baby powder, and acrylic paint are going to be your basic needs. Some stencils. I do not have a traditional artist spatula. I actually got this one from a thrift store for 25 cents, I think. Of course, a bowl, your measuring utensils, and stuff to texture on. So let's get in here and get started on this. Okay, so the cutting board I have in the house is too big for this table for me to craft with you guys properly. So I just used newspaper. And the one in the trunk of my car is warped from the heat. So I already know it is. I'm not even going to try. So since I've been into the whole upcycling thing, I just took the cardboard box real quick and wrote the recipe. So let's get measuring here. Just leave this right here so you guys can see it and write down your recipes. Or write down the recipe for yourself. I actually bought a bunch of this glue. Oh, I forgot water. Guess I'll have to go get some of that in a minute. Anyway, yeah, I totally lost track of, oh, the glue. I was into that whole slime making craze. And then I found out about the boric acid, and I'm like, yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to make any slime anymore. Get sick off of playing with it. I know there's other ways to make slime without boric acid, but I'm just like, yeah, I'll use the glue for something else. Well, turns out you can use it to make texture paste. So now I have enough glue to last me a long, long time. Let's see, we're also going to need... Oh man, this takes forever. Gotta have some strong hands. Probably should have done the glue last. Oh well, it's all good. Alright, we're going to switch hands. It really works on your hand strength. That's better. Definitely tell I'm right-handed. All right. Just pour that in there. So what are you ladies crafting on? I would definitely love to see it. If you have an Instagram, you can roll on over and tag me in it. Maybe I'll try and get some photos up on Instagram after I'm done making this video. For you lovely ladies and gents. I actually have a gentleman on here. Very neat to have. Oh, lids on our acrylic paint. And this one I think I got it from Walmart. sadly, there's some things that are cheaper at Walmart than they're 99 cents. And it was like $1 or something like that for this big one. And the white paint at the 99-cent store is like $1 for those small ones. Yeah, this is definitely why we got a tabletop cover. Maybe I'll go take care of that this weekend. I said I was going to do it on payday, but I haven't had a chance. I've just been way too busy. I got Mother's Day coming up, and I've been trying so hard to get my mom's journal done for Mother's Day. And, well, she works on Mother's Day, or at least Mother's Day weekend. So we planned it for the next weekend that we're going to have Mother's Day together. So it worked out. I mean, maybe not the best, but we'll still celebrate Mother's Day, just not on Mother's Day. Instead, I have this wonderful lady coworker. She doesn't have any kids or anything, so I'm like, hey, you want to come over and we'll celebrate our anti-Mother's Day together? Nothing against you moms out there, but you know, us non-moms, we would like a day too every once in a while. It'd be kind of nice. Because, you know, some of us quite haven't had kids yet. We just want to wait for the right time. So, alright, give me a minute. I gotta go get some water. Okay, and we're back at it. I gotta be extra careful with the water because I don't want it seeping through. But that's all good. Okay. We need 1 tablespoon of water. There we are. And we're just going to set this water back here. And then we need our talcum powder. I also got, some whatchamacallits. Oh, that's right. I think this one's... Oh, there we go. Okay. We need lots of this. We need 1/4 cup. And this one I think was the cheapest one they had. It was $1 something. And it's pure cornstarch baby powder. I guess it's for those hypoallergenic ladies and gents out there and babies. Because you know it's baby powder. It smells good. Okay. Time to see how this comes out. I'm just gonna pop this off of here. It's very poofy, so if you guys don't like breathing it in, you might want to either wear a respirator or something, or just spin or mix it gently or more gentle than I am. Have any of you ever tried that cornstarch trick where you do cornstarch and water and it gets hard and it's really cool? I think I seen this thing on Facebook the other day where they did like an art thing with it, cornstarch and water, and they had all this pretty colors in it, and then of course all the kids were playing on it and all that. Okay, well this is not as a thick texture as I think I may have gotten measurements wrong. I think I got the measurements wrong. Oops. Okay, well I guess we are just going to freestyle it and add some cornstarch in here until it thickens up properly. If any of you are cooking ladies out there, we all know how this goes. Just add some in there. I think it was supposed to be 1 teaspoon instead of 1 tablespoon. Ooh, it's thickening up nicely. That's much better. That's actually starting to look like a paste. Throw a little bit of water. Oh, no, that's not the water. Water's back here, huh? Not too much. Oh, yeah. Now that is a paste. Seems it doesn't have to be an exact science. We'll see how it does when it dries. Very cornstarchy. Alrighty. Now I got this piece of cardboard here just to test it out on. Alright. Now this is my first set of stencils. First set ever. My lady friend at work, she calls me the Miss Future Martha Stewart. And I'm like, well, I haven't, well, yeah. We're not going to go with the behind bars comment because, yeah. I mean, I haven't, but in another sense, I kind of have. Just not in the way Martha Stewart has. All right. Let's try this out. I think I'm just gonna let's take our spatula here. I feel like it's too soupy. So I'm gonna have to retry the measurements. Not too bad though for a first try, I guess. It's definitely a nice thick consistency. Okay. Well, it definitely came out pretty. Now let's just see if it dries. Alright, I'm going to let this dry, wash my thingamabob, because you know everyone says to wash these things, and I will come back to you. Okay guys, it's not 100% dry, but it is really dry. I mean, it's nice and to where I can touch it and it's not going to really do anything. And that just, it came out beautiful. I mean, the texture alone, I don't know if you can see it, but it's nice and thick. It actually kind of warped the back of the cardboard a little bit, but it is beautiful. It's on here nice and good. I noticed in one or two spots, because I used a hairdryer, by the way, baller on a budget, but I noticed in a few spots it cracked a little bit. I don't know if that's because I was off a little bit on my measurements, or if that's just how it is, but it came out really great. Don't 100% go by my measurements. If you want it to be exact on and you're OCD about it, go on Pinterest and look up the exact measurements. If you get into my Pinterest board, I'm pretty sure I've posted it. There is a link if you go directly to my YouTube channel where it has the banner picture across the top over on the right hand corner. It'll have all of my social media links, my YouTube or my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram, all those, and you can roll over to Pinterest and find a couple of different recipes that I did find and chose between one of those for this video. So I think I'm going to paint this up and have a little bit of fun with it. This cornstarch thing was really fun and easy to do. I do have these cards that were in the clearance bin that I went ahead and grabbed that I am going to be using with the texture paste. I also have a mini junk journal that I'm going to be using with the texture paste, and this one will be going up in my Etsy shop, so keep an eye out for it. And we will be back at you. Hopefully I will have the Mother's Day journal finished by Friday and be able to have it up for you guys. If not, I'm sorry, and I hope this texture paste video makes up for it. I mean, this is beautiful and it was so much fun and very easy to do. Alright, you all have a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye! Okay guys, I got this container. I can't remember what came in it, but it's an upcycled container from Walmart Deli or something like that. And I'm just going to store the cornstarch mixture stuffs or texture paste in it and see how well it holds up. So tune in for my next video on making your own DIY stencils, and we'll see how long this holds up for and how long we can store it. Alright, bye!